What the? I need it on my desk now! Woo! Oh! This is a super viral stunt RC car. Just flip your fingers and pull some crazy tricks like reading your mind.
Alright, let's now test. Hit up. Hit up. Left. Right. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Come back! Tried it over and over. The actual gestures are like this and it's very difficult to control. The fancy gestures they showed in the ads is performed by a two-man act. There's another person controlling it using the remote behind the camera. Man, I'll give this over.